She's very good.
Shivan, happy birthday. You are so much kind and you are very beautiful. Thank you so much.
Fantastic, marvelous girl. I like you, love you. Happy birthday to you, darling.
Happy birthday to you, Jan. God bless you.
You're awesome.
Happy birthday, you are very, very energetic. I love you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday, Joanne. You are the sweetest and cutest person. Thank you.
Tanggal ba?
Happy birthday, John. I love you so much. I know you are one of the person very, very important for me because the time I was crying. In the time we have in the middle of the war, I don't have a contact with Iran because internet are cut. I cannot. One time I come to the park and see you making Zumba. I thought, oh, how is cute. And I speak with you. You are so I cannot speak how it was that day. I joined the group and I see you. So from that day, I think really in my life, it become a good, better for me in my life. And I love you too much and happy birthday. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us.
Hello, happy birthday. And you make my life very beautiful, happy, strong, everything. So I love you.
Happy birthday, sister.
Parang pwede to kita yun dito eh. Hindi, ang layo. Ano ba yan? Ang kulit natin eh. Ay, babe.
Okay yun.
Hawak mo na lang.
Because you inspire a lot of,
Hindi, minsan ako. Dapat dun sa...
especially at Lala movies. If you stop, Happy
birthday, Ate. Wishes you more good health and more birthdays.
Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Continue dancing and stay as you are. Stay as good as you are.
wishing you a joyful and pleasant 50th birthday.
Hello.
Thank you for inspiring us with your energy, positivity, and passion in every Zumba class. May God continue to strengthen you and bless you with good health and fill your heart with peace and joy. I just want to quote Proverbs chapter 21 verse 25. It says, "She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come." May you continue to walk in God's way, shining as an inspiration to everyone around you. Have a beautiful celebration and year filled with abundant blessing, love, happiness. Happy birthday.
Bigay mo sa akin po yung ano. Mike, bigay mo sa akin. Di ba?
Happy birthday. Strawberry movie. And you wasn't hardworking to make me sexy. Thank you so much. You will enjoy it.
Lilipat lang ako.
Birthday, and I love your smile.
Sa'yo ka na dun, mate.
Many people's dreams are this is a small beginning. I wanted to open
Ha? Dapat yung video mo yan, malinaw.
Gusto niyo sa sarili niya po.
Pero video mo din.
Ako, nagbibideo si...
Nagbibideo na ba?
Mas maganda, ano.
I hope you like it.
Nara. Nawala na. Nasaan na?
I would like to invite everyone to please stay at the center, and we are going to wish our celebrant a happy birthday all at once. As we wish her happy birthday, we will throw the balloons up.